Honorable Mbui.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Speaker, I rise on Standing Order 42(4) on messages from the President, and Part 4 talks about messages from the CS. And Mr. Speaker, it's about a message that you read to the House here last year before we went on the last recess from the CS for Treasury, where he had indicated that he would be releasing funds for the National Government Constituency Development Fund to a tune of GAF to a tune of about 2 billion per week. And later on, Mr. Speaker, he defaulted. Later, when we were doing an induction of our new members, he also again sent you with a written communication which you delivered in Mombasa. And again, he had also promised to be releasing 2 billion per week. Mr. Speaker, the financial year is coming to an end very soon, and members have not received this money in their constituencies for development. And so, Mr. Speaker, I wanted to ask that you help us to protect the dignity of the House, because the letters came through you, you read them to us, they are unanswered, and they have not been fulfilled. And once beaten, twice shy, Mr. Speaker. And you being third in command in the country, Mr. Speaker, you need to save this House so that we don't become the laughingstock of the nation. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. We need your guidance, please.
Honorable Mbui, let me finish with the messages, then we can come back to what you are saying. Honorable members, the second message is a message from His Excellency the President, and it's on nomination of persons for appointment to the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, SRC, and the Commission on Revenue Allocation. Honorable members, pursuant to the provision of Standing Order 42, I wish to convey the following two messages from His Excellency the President.